All right, folks. So you spent the better half of yesterday chipping down the road, and you're chipping with a headache. So let's talk about the morning after. How do you address your hangover? There's no miracle cure, I'm told, to have you recovered in time for the 9 to 5. But nutritionist, she's a nutritionist coach, Janet Rankin Henry. Well, apparently she can ease the blow a little. She's just coming from Mascam. Morning.
No, I'm not. Morning.
Morning.
Morning, never. Morning.
You're not coming. I was teasing. She's not just coming from Mascam. Do you party at all?
No.
Never did?
No.
So, you know, if you get to the headache, then if it don't happen to you.
Well, actually, alcohol is one of the most popular drug that persons party with.
And you say drug deliberately?
Yes, it is a drug.
Okay.
And some of the things too, after partying, drinking a lot, you will sometimes have hangovers. And hangover is really caused by one, lowering of the blood alcohol level. So some things that you can do to ease the feeling of the dizziness and the lightheadedness and the headaches is to one, have water.
Yeah, all right.
So,
First, we're going to go through that. But are we talking about the folks who go out and drink, or are we talking just about the folks who just bleach the whole night, even if they don't drink a lot? Is it two different ways to recover from this?
Alcohol.
This is about
consuming alcohol.
All right.
Right.
Hydrate like you're putting out a fire inside your body.
Right. So alcohol normally dehydrates your body.
Yeah.
So it's important for you to have water or sip a little bit of fruit juice. Because when you have the hangover, it means that your blood alcohol level is 0 or close to 0, and you're basically hungry. Yeah? So have a little bit of either water or a little bit of fruit juice, which actually helps you to rehydrate your body.
Yeah. All right, we're going through all of these tips, but is there any way to help while you are partying and drinking?
Definitely. So it is recommended that one, either you don't drink at all, or if you're drinking, you drink, for a woman, one glass per day. Yeah?
Hold on, Janet.
One glass.
So wait, no, so me go a big carnival party and me just have one
what
drink?
you can do is sip water with it.
Okay.
Right? Sip water.
Okay.
Or for a male, 2 glasses in total. That's the recommended
So you are
amount.
suggesting if you go to a party, whether it's soca or whatever party, don't drink more than 2 drinks if you're a man.
For a man, and for a woman, 1. Right, that's the recommended
So
amount.
nobody
If
wouldn't have
you
no
don't
hangover
want
then.
to have exactly, and that is what you really want. Ideally, you really want a nation without having
but them
the
want
issues.
drink, them want drink and enjoy themselves.
And that's why we say if you really want to drink and enjoy yourself, 1 only.
All right, 1 only, which I don't know. Eat clean. What that mean when you say eat clean?
All right, so after you've had alcohol, it means that your stomach, and having the hangovers, heavy drinking, your stomach might be irritated. So the best option for you to do is to eat, say, maybe some crackers or some toast, right? So one, it gives you energy, right? And 2, there's no spice, so it doesn't irritate the stomach.
This is now after now. This is tomorrow morning.
After tomorrow morning,
All right.
right.
Rest.
Definitely. So if you're having hangovers, then you need to sleep it off.
Janet
right?
never go work.
Exactly. So it might be not good for your employee because he may not be able to go to work. But in order for you to get rid of the feeling, maybe sleeping is the best option.
Well, that man look like Richard, so. That man look like Richard. Richard, that's it. I did always know him drink plenty, but now I find out. Detox with teas.
Definitely. So in Jamaica, we're blessed with many herbs, right? Some of the best options would be like the chamomile tea or the Guinean weed.
Why?
Right?
Why? What does that?
It actually helps to move toxins from your body. So the breakdown of alcohol will give you toxins in your body.
Okay.
Right? So detox with the teas will help to
So
detox.
the regular tea that we drink wouldn't help you?
And of course, caffeine would not be recommended.
Leave out caffeine,
right?
avoid the caffeine.
Because the caffeine is a stimulant. So it will affect the stomach and it will dehydrate your body as well. So the alcohol dehydrates the body and the caffeine dehydrates the body.
And
so we say
caffeine would do that whether I'm trying to...
Whether you're trying to get rid of the hangovers, yes or no, yes.
So I shouldn't have caffeine?
If you're having it just a small cup for the day.
Okay. Sweat it out.
Exercise also helps to remove toxins from the body, right? So you want to get rid of the toxin so you can get rid of the feeling, right?
Right.
So exercise is a good option.
Yep. Vitamins?
Vitamins and minerals, once you consume alcohol, it burns up the vitamins and minerals. And so if, say for example, you come in the night or come in early morning, before you crash in the bed, take a vitamin capsule. That
What
actually
kind of
helps.
vitamin? A, B,
Any
C, D?
multivitamin. So
Anyone?
it helps to replenish the vitamins and minerals that you'd have lost after drinking.
Have soup.
Yeah. The soup actually helps with replacing the salts, right? And also providing a soothing for your stomach. So that helps too.
Yeah.
And of course, sometimes you may have even headaches.
So
the
pain-
painkillers, you know, the painkillers will help. Aspirin, however, will affect the stomach. One thing I must bring across as a nutrition coach is that if you're on a weight loss journey, consuming the alcohol will not allow you to lose weight. Why? It has a lot of calories, right?
Yeah.
So say, for example, you're having an ounce and a half of hard liquor. That gives you about 160 calories. Oh. If you're having, say, a glass of red wine, that gives you 300 calories.
Yeah.
And or Jamaicans, we don't drink one glass, we drink like 2 and 3 glasses.
Yeah.
So that's 600 and climbing.
All right, couple more questions. One of them I used to hear, like, you just bring up everything and you're good to go again. Not so?
Vomiting, of course, you will feel nauseous. So some persons up to vomit, right? But I think the number one solution for both of us, Neville, is that we just don't drink.
Yeah, but we can't get away from the people who drinking.
Right.
So the throwing up not going to bring it back quickly.
It will irritate the stomach. So we would say the best option for you to do is maybe take some painkillers, pain relievers, or go back to sleep.
Yeah.
Some persons find that vomiting will help, but that also will dehydrate the cells. So you have to keep rehydrated.
The final question now, all right? So you have told me everything. I agree with everything. It kind of sounds like not a long-term solution to getting back ready, but longish. So if I reach in 3 o'clock in the morning and I have to reach work 7 o'clock and I have to sleep and get ready, is there any quick fix that I can, I mean, I hear everything you say, but obviously I can't do all of that in 2 hours. Is there any quick fix that can just say, no, man, I'm ready again? No?
It is difficult, especially if you have over the recommended amount, which is 1 or 2 glasses. Yeah? It is extremely difficult because the body is actually trying to get rid of this substance that is in it.
Right.
And so there is no quick fix.
No quick fix.
No quick fix.
Giant, you know the people who love to party and love to drink, watching you this morning. And you talk about 1 drink and 2 drink. And them just go,
True.
you can't go party
But
and
in
have 1
the
drink.
long term, never.
No, I agree with you.
In the
I don't
long
drink
term,
it.
Right.
I don't
in the
drink.
long term, remember, it increases the chances of you getting pancreatic cancers.
No. I mean, as
all
I
of
said,
those.
I'm playing devil's advocate because I don't drink anything with alcohol. But I suspect that a lot of people go out to get, what's the word, inebriated. Some people go to have a nice time and they feel a nice time means 5, 6, 7 beers or whatever.
True.
But I take your point. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.
She's a nutrition coach, Janet Rankin Henry. All right, folks, more on Smile when we come back. Stay with us, please. Soon come.